Hi guys, your girl's here at Disney Character Warehouse at the Vineland location, and I'm about to go in and see what they have. It is 2:30 in the afternoon. I said I would come later in the day, so let's check this out. And they still have the Marie collection here. They've got a bunch of it still, so it's not going anywhere. Let's see. Oh, we got something new over here. We got Minnie Mouse's cat set here. Figaro, that's his name. And there's some doggy beds here. I don't know if the clothing is still 30% off or not. We'll have to check that out. But they still have my bag down at the bottom. Well, they still are very, very busy in here, even at 2:30 in the afternoon. Looks like they got some new Nemu sets. Let me see, Buzz Lightyear toys, those have been here. This is new for $20. Oh, they have a bunch of the Toy Story costumes here, along with Marvel costumes.
Okay.
Boys clothing, yeah, clothing is still 30% off. Oh, we got a skirt down here that lights up. That's $9.99. These little minis. Oh, they go for $9.99. No, this is something else. $19.99. They still have the teacups here, the Alice in Wonderland teacups. These plates are new. You get 14 of them for a set of 4. Yeah. They still have these plates, so. And the Tiana, or I'm sorry, the Jasmine collection is still here.
Excuse me.
Some of the Epcot stuff is still here. They got the cups and the blankets. These are all the National Geographic jackets, and they've got some vests too now. Some of the cracks are gone away. Alright, nothing new as far as bags go. Yeah, it is extremely busy in here, even for 2:30 in the afternoon, guys. So I guess it doesn't matter what time I come. I'm just going to find the crowds no matter what. They do have Jasmine shirt there. That's new. This Lotso Bear shirt. That one looks new too. We got some nightgowns here for $17.99. Let's see. Used t-shirts for $7.99. Monsters Inc. shorts. Those are new. A lot of these, the Soul Spirit jersey is new. That's the price on this one. $24.99. I'll go ahead and look at the pins since everything else is so busy that this is pretty much all I'm able to look at it for the moment.
Okay, where's Kim?
I think these keychains are new. This one looks new too. Well, it looks like they've got a Tiana and Jasmine magic bands here going for $20. I believe these ones were here. Pinocchio magic band. Okay, $12.99. And then you got the up bands here. These ones are going for $5.99. These are for your your pins. These have been here. And these are new. $7.99. Madame Leona should be $12.99. $19.99. And Marvel. A lot of the Marvel stuff's still here. Let me show you the store. This is how hectic it is in here right now. Okay, the men's clothing. Not seeing anything new. I guess I can find more stuff down this area. There's not as many people at this back half of the store. They're all up at the front. They still have a lot of the moose from Canada and the bear. Well, I don't know, guys. This is extremely busy. I'll kind of go through the Star Wars clothing. Clothes are so packed in here, it's hard to see what's in here. Orange. Oh, this is different. Walt Disney's Goofy. They don't have extra small and small.
But there was something like, so there's this electrical braid, and this Mickey one. I don't know, they're kind of big, but they made me think of that. They felt like thicker. Another one, I do like the electrical braid one. There's another one.
Oh, Planet. Pizza Planet. Okay. Yoda plushes. These toys have been here. Oh. And they don't have many shoes left on this side, but on the other side they have a lot of the pink cracks over there, but they're all big sizes. Alright, I got a free moment here at the mugs. Let me see, nothing new. Just roll with it. That one's a new one. Half note. This is a new one. $7.99. They do have flubbers still. Figment. He was gone and then he came back and he's still here. He's still got a lot of the Tiana stationery baking. I think it's more baking kits, not stationery. Alright, I'll come over here to Christmas. I don't see anything new with the Christmas, but they still have some things remaining. Not much. Now I did see that these Halloween candles went down to $4.99. They don't have much left of the doggy stuff now. Alright, the ornaments, they have the soul and Mickey's house. Uh-oh, Mickey and Minnie, they're gone. They're missing on there. That's what the front of it looks like. Alright, this is the Grand California at Disneyland. Oh, they got bowls. These are new. I don't remember seeing these before. $19.99. The set of 4 bowls. Oh, there is one set of plates left. Plates are $19.99 also. The mixing bowls, there's what, 3 mixing bowls here? Yeah, $14.99. Halloween, they still got the shorts, some shorts. Yeah, these are Halloween clothing. These are the coats that come from Norway. They go for $125. They still have the Alice in Wonderland bags. There's the 2 styles. I think this is a backpack and this is a regular bag. Oh, and they got a smaller one too for $114. The Coach keychain is $41. The ornaments here, engagement ornaments, are $14.99, and I'm not sure about the band, Lady in the Tramp bands. But they still have the train set here for $80. But here's a new throw with the princesses, and for $35. This is how busy the store still is. So I've been in here close to a half hour now, and it has not slowed down. It's a steady stream of people. So Tuesday afternoons, not good either. Maybe I should try Tuesday nights. Maybe. I guess the Disney Character Warehouse has just gotten so popular that it's busy from open to close. I will keep trying another time. 3:30 or 2:30 to 3, still very busy. So I had to go ahead and end it because it was just too busy for me to even see anything. So that was it for this week's Disney Character Warehouse. Try next week at a different time again and see what we can figure out. So as always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all. And don't forget, if you want to get entered into a drawing, you have to watch my old videos and comment on them, and your name will be entered to win something. So that's going to be a surprise what it is. So hopefully you guys enjoy my older videos. There's 522 other ones to watch. Alright guys, as always, thank you. Love you all. Bye.